I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and Keith Cunningham said that anything worth doing is worth doing poorly. Not forever, but at the beginning. And I really want to give yourself permission to be a beginner and to make mistakes. I think so many people wait until everything's perfect before they actually launch a product or put out a blog post or start a podcast or whatever it is that they want to do. And I want you to just say, all right, I'm going to start. And it's going to suck at first, and I'm going to be terrible, but I'm going to get better over time. So anything that I did in my business, I'm like, don't go back to see my first blog post that I ever wrote because it's pretty bad. But I did it, and I got better over time. And that's what's going to happen with the more practice that you have. So don't wait. Take freaking messy action, and you can go back and you can make it better, and you'll get better as you go. All right, did you register for a challenge yet? I'm so excited for our free 5-day blog tweaking challenge. I'll teach you how to monetize your blog in 5 days. So go to joinblogchallenge.com, and I'll see you there. Bye.